This is the great thing. Someday I hope to die in there. That concludes the tour. Thanks for not bringing on any pets on this tour. Hey, don't fireworks! Don't fireworks! No fireworks! You have to go now. Don't go with the great thing. Gotta go now. Bye. Hey, look, the great Colonel Stallion. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
That's a bad idea.
No, it's not. I like it. Yay! What? If which one did I go in?
Come on, it's okay, Lindsay. Jump with me.
And the great thing starts. LPS. Jeez, LPS friendship. The great. I don't like down.
Please, this is why I like to put things on. Oh, that's right. Which doesn't like that?
Butch, you'll survive life. This is life.
What if we drown?
We won't drown. Where's the water? Let's say Marco Polo. Marco! Oh no! Who's there, Marco Polo now? We're so near. La 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 la. I got Matthew. How do you know who you got? Cheer! Dang it, you called my bluff. My secret bluff. Oh, there cheese in my pool. Everybody out. I think she heard it. Come on, everybody out. Butch, come on. Butch, I gotcha. I mean, Papushka. Yo, that's the name. Oh, why are you guys so wet? Cause we stopped because we had to go to the bathroom. Okay. Failure. I just went to the floor of solitude. Wop. Wop wop. Hey, look, it's the great towel of the world. The great towel of the world, guys. Has to be hung up on the rack of solitude. I haven't missed you for long. Who likes this song? Me. And now, a special Butch moment. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. This is very special Butch moment. Hey! What are we doing? I don't know what we're doing. We smell like we like that. Wait a minute, I smell like cupcakes. No, you don't. Let's just get out of here. I smell Babushka. No, I smell a dog. Babushka's a dog. No, Babushka's a dog. I'm gonna die. Oh, dead boy. Dead body. Ah, run away. We're alive. Wait. Death. Death in the making. Well, at least I have the right color dish. She loved my dog more. She thought that the dog's name was Babushka. She scared me. I have nothing to say. Jerk. Why is the finger in the way? I don't know. Oh man, she farted. I'm alive because I just made that fart. That was my fart. I'm alive. Everybody run. Where's Babushka? No, she's really dead. Yeah, she came back alive as a zombie. I'm a zombie. How will this affect your weekend? I hope you don't die.